Hi guys, are you still dealing with that nagging neck pain that won't go away, no matter how much we stretch or how much we even massage the area? Well, the real problem might be hitting scar tissue in the muscles around your neck. After injuries, inflammation, or even repetitive stress, your body can lay down scar tissue in the muscles and the fascia, and that can create tightness that restricts mobility, irritates your nerves, but it also locks in pain. And a scar tissue doesn't break up easily with traditional therapy. But here's the key. I'm going to show you one thing that will help. It's called acoustic wave therapy, or known as AWT. AWT uses targeted sound waves to break down scar tissue, boost circulation, and accelerate healing so you can get real relief and regain full mobility. It is non-invasive, drug-free, and works great along chiropractic adjustments. If you try everything for your neck pain, AWT might be the missing piece. So visit synergyovito.com today to book your session.